Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix error code installing .NET 3.5 for any optical features. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, for fixing this, first of all in the search box type a registry editor. Open a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all select a HK local machine and expand it. Select a software and expand it. After doing this test, go down and find out a policies and expand it. Select a Microsoft and expand it. Scroll down, and after doing this test, find a Windows and expand it. After doing this test, select a Windows Update and expand it. Select a AU, and after doing this step, right click, click on a new and select a diver 32-bit value and set a name is use WL server and open it and set a value data is 0. Click on OK button, and after doing this step, close the registry editor. After that, close it, and after doing this step, restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.